Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me printer HP Smart Tank 615, and I'm gonna show you how to perform the factory reset on this device. To do it, in the open settings, then scroll very down and click tools. So find tools here. Okay, click tools. And scroll down again and find restore factory default. Click on it. Web services account information will be removed. You will need to set up web services again until web services is set up again. HP instant ink will not work properly. Okay. Do you want to continue? Click yes. Wait a while. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.